Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prasad and I'm a technical architect in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Today in this session, we'll be discussing InsertDE versus InsertData and AMP function, and we'll try to test email, SMS, push, and cloud pages. You can follow me in Medium as well, and you can treat this blog. So let's directly jump into our Marketing Cloud instance. So I have already created a data extension called products, and here I have the product ID as my primary key. And we have other attributes like name, price, and currency for that product. Now let's create an email. So I have created an email, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code, which is a simple InsertDE function, and paste it here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the preview and test for this AMP function, and everything looks good. Let's go to our data extension and validate if any records has been inserted or not. So when we do the email preview and test, the records are inserted. It's only after we send an email. Now let's create one SMS template, and let's copy the same code of the InsertDE function and paste it in the message. And now let's do the subscriber preview. Let's select the data source. And you can see it renders correctly. Let's go to the data extension. Let's refresh this. So this is working as expected. Now let's go to push. Let's edit this push template. Let's again copy this code and let's do the subscriber preview. So this is also working as intended. Let's go to the data extension, refresh it. Now let's go to our cloud page. This is my code resource. Copy this code and paste it here. Save. And publish. Let's run this code resource. Fine. So InsertDE does not output the result. Let's go to the data extension and refresh it. So now you can see one record has been inserted. So the InsertDE is working as intended. Email, SMS, push, and the cloud page. Now let's start with our InsertData. So let's go to the email and let's copy this InsertData block and paste it in our email. Let's preview and test. and you get an error message saying that insert data is not valid in the email content, which is as expected. Now let's go to the SMS. Let's return to the editor and let us copy this code and paste it in our SMS. Before that, let's go to our data extension, refresh it, and still we can see that one record that was created by blog page. So now we are in the SMS. Let's do the subscriber preview. And then we get the error, which is a primary key violation that is happening. So this is the error message that we're receiving in the SMS, which is basically the duplicate key value for that particular data extension. Let's go to our data extension, refresh this, and you can see product ID 22 or new record has been added when we do the review and test in the SMS. So for better clarity, let's clear this record. So now in our data extension, we don't have any records. Let's go to push. Let's return to the editor and let's copy this code and paste it in our message. Let's do the subscriber preview. And here also, you can see we get an error. So this is the error message that you receive. That is also a private key violation when we do the preview of the subscriber for the push. Let's go to the data extension. And you'll see that product ID 22 was inserted when we do the preview and test for the push. Now let's go to the cloud page. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code and paste it here, and let me give this as product ID 23. Let's give the name as name 23. Let's save this and publish. Let's click on the publish URL and we get the output as 1. So let's go to the data extension and you can see it inserts the record when we do it via the cloud page. So to recap this session, InsertDE works as intended in the email context, but when it comes to SMS or push context, if you're using InsertDE, it works as intended when we do the subscriber preview, but when you do the insert data, it gives you a primary key violation because the API for that insert data is being called twice. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have any queries or clarification, please put your comment in the video. I'll try to respond to your queries. Thank you all. We'll see you next time. Bye.